These slushy cups are so cute. Look how beautiful it is.
Give me a free slushy cup. I want it.
Did you subscribe?
Yes, I did. I also like the videos.
But why I can't find your comments under the videos?
Oh, I forgot to leave comment.
It's important to follow the rules. It's because we find the winners first from the comment box.
Okay, I did. Now give me my slushy cup. Let me choose. I want this one.
Don't rush. Challenges are monthly. It means you have to wait a month for it since the video published. I wish you win. Good luck.